Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to edit squads. In the beginning let's go to settings and now go to edit teams. You can manage team sheets, club transfers, national squads, stadiums, you can download updates or reset all squads. Select edit sheets and now select league, country and club. Now you can add new team sheet and you can edit it. You can now adjust squads, tactics, and assignments. Once you set it, save it, and it's done. To select it as active, aim for it and tap triangle. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.